Hello and welcome back to Online Tools Master. In today's video, we're diving into the world of string manipulation with the string joiner tool from onlinestringtools.com. If you've ever needed to merge multiple strings into one, this tool is your new best friend. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a string joiner? This free online tool allows you to merge several strings into one long string with just a few clicks. There are no intrusive ads or pop-ups, just a straightforward tool to join your strings. The tool comes with several customization options. 1. Character for merging. 2. Remove leading spaces. 3. Remove trailing spaces. 4. Exclude empty strings. Let's start with our first example. Merging 10 lines of text together using a space character. Simply load your lines, choose the space character, and hit join. You'll end up with a single long line with each of your original lines separated by spaces. For our second example, we'll join a set of strings using a comma. This creates a comma-separated list, which is perfect for organizing items or creating lists. Load your strings, select the comma as the separator, and see how your strings get combined into a neat list. In our final example, we'll merge parts of a quote by Jiddu Krishnamurti. We have 5 snippets to combine, but we'll exclude 2 extra lines and remove any trailing spaces and tabs from the first and third lines. With the space character as our separator, we'll end up with a seamless, coherent quote. And that's how you can use the string joiner tool to effortlessly merge strings according to your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our previous tutorials on convert text to image and find and replace text for more useful tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more online tool tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until next time, keep mastering those online tools.